Now, many of you already know that NIO in August they will be launching the Onvo L90, which we have already discussed quite a lot about that. What is to be expected from that model in terms of the price, because you will know from the very beginning, NIO has already told us that the price range of Onvo is between 200 to 300,000 RMB. Now, today, as I'm doing this video, there have been some spy photos of what is apparently rumored to be the Onvo L80. You will know that L80, it is an SUV that based or coming from NIO. They are expecting to launch it and start delivering it sometime or somewhere in Q4 of this year. I mean, as seen on the screen, you notice that this is the SUV which has got, or it's showing like a sporty like SUV. And these are some of the photos that have been surfacing the streets of social media, where we are seeing this car, of course, being portrayed, right? I mean, L80, it is a large 5 SUV targeting family car market. Onvo's flagship SUV is the L90, which will be launched, like I said, in August, and deliveries are expected to start then. Now, something very good that you have to know about the Onvo L90 and the L80 is that they are coming on using NIO's latest technology platform, the NT 3.0, which is something that is great because it means that the technology capabilities, they are coming on another level. NIO has not officially launched the L90S yet, but they have done a pre-launch during the Shanghai Auto Show, where we saw the exteriors of the car together with the space of that car, which I can tell you now, it has stolen so many people's hearts, because not only is that car big enough, a 6-seater SUV, but it also comes with a lot of space for your luggage and all that, which is something that is great. There is the internal of that car, it's not yet seen, and that is what we'll be getting a lot more about when Onvo launches that car sometime in August. The L80, it is a model that is expected to be somewhere between the Onvo L60 and the Onvo L90, and hopefully this L80, it is that model that will help take Onvo to the 25,000 deliveries on a monthly basis that NIO is targeting. This is what I believe, that obviously with this so with these 3 new models, we can expect great deliveries from Onvo. We can expect maybe some improvement in terms of deliveries coming from Onvo. And from August, I'm sure, I'm quite certain that we are going to start seeing deliveries going over 10,000, because as it stands, deliveries have been stagnant between 4,500 to 6,500 deliveries, right? And we have not seen Onvo hitting the 10,000 mark like what we saw back in December of last year. But I think that that plus 10,000 is going to come from August or from maybe September, when NIO starts with the official deliveries of that Onvo L90, which is the flagship SUV for Onvo. This is something that is great, something that is very exciting. And you will know that as per what I discussed a bit when it comes to Onvo on the previous video about chips, the autonomous driving chips that Onvo is currently using are still being produced by NVIDIA, or they come from NVIDIA. And NIO, however, has said that in the near future, they are looking at building also Onvo chips in-house, which should improve the gross margins of Onvo. Onvo gross margins in Q4 are expected to be around 15%, and with the chips, of course, very soon be going to be built by NIO in-house, we can expect, I think, even gross margins to go to somewhere close, if not over 20%, which will be so great, so amazing. I mean, from NIO, or looking at the NIO main brand, the one chip that they use on their car, NIO is saving roughly around $1,390 per chip, which speaks volumes, or which shows you why this is very important for NIO to tap into making chips also for their sub brands, because there is a lot that they can make, there is a lot they can generate. I mean, previous video we spoke also about the company that NIO opened, which apparently is just for chip production and selling, which, and we just hope that subsidiary company will be also making chips for Onvo, and we look forward to that. So yeah, man, I am very happy, I am excited, and like I said, I thought I'd come and give you this quick update. And yeah, Onvo L80, we are looking for it. It's coming with the NT 3.0 platform. L90 is coming with NT 3.0 platform. ES8, it's also coming with the NT 3.0 platform. ET9 uses the NT 3.0 platform technology. These are so far the only cars under NIO that by the end of this year they'll be having that platform, NT 3.0, latest technology of NIO, right? The 2025 facelift models, that is your ET5 Touring, ET5 Mid Sedan, ES6, EC6, they're still using, or they are using the NT 2.5 platform. They are not yet at NT 3.0. That must be noted. The only car under NIO that will finish or that will end the year under the NT 3.0, it has to be the NIO ET9 and the NIO ES8. In Q4, you will know that NIO also intends on launching the ES8, and therefore it will make NIO to have a total of 4 models that have this latest NT 3.0 platform, and hopefully we get to see things going very well for NIO because of this technology, this platform. Hopefully we get to see NIO starting to obviously see their deliveries improving in a way that sales get to double this year as they promised last year in October, November, as per, which is something that over and above the NIO getting to profitability, that's what users wants to see. NIO doubling sales this year like they said they would. I mean, the sentiment has not changed because the NIO CEO during the Q1 live earning call, he mentioned something very important, that is in Q4 he wants to see, or what they would like to see is to see NIO and Onvo both selling 25,000 cars each on a monthly basis. And if that happens like that, then it's lights out, right? Then we can expect, of course, deliveries to double this year. Yeah, man, I am very happy, and I thought I'd come and give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. I think blue sky is coming, long term will win. Those that are persevering will most definitely be rewarded with time. Share price wise, NIO might not be where we want it to, but this is a company that we can expect some great things to happen. I mean, as I'm doing this video, NIO, it's almost trading where it closed trading at yesterday, at $3.44. But yeah, let's wait, let's see what transpires. But I remain long, I remain strong, because I know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. I know one thing, and that is those that are persevering will most definitely be rewarded with time. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, my dear friends. That is all from me, and God bless you all.